Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be on this DIY all the time carrot cake recipe. And I know, it's another baking video, but aren't we all still in that quarantine baking phase? Or is it just me? But anyway, I did want to share this recipe with you that I found on myrecipes.com, and of course it'll be linked down below. I just had to share it with you because it is the absolute best carrot cake recipe I've ever tried, and it's just an absolute must. Let's begin. Alright, so in a large bowl you want to combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and whisk that all together until everything is well combined. Next, in a separate bowl, you want to beat 3 large eggs. And then at a medium speed using your mixer, you want to incorporate 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 3/4 cup of buttermilk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then you want to continue to combine that until your mixture is nice and smooth. And then at a lower speed, you want to start incorporating your dry mixture, which is the flour that we combined at first. And of course, you just want to incorporate it very slowly and definitely in portions, just because you don't want everything flying everywhere. Now this recipe also has a buttermilk glaze and a cream cheese frosting, which I've used with the cake and it's still absolutely delicious. But if you don't like either, you can definitely use some vanilla frosting. That's actually what I do at the end of this video. Instead of using cream cheese frosting, I just went with a store-bought vanilla one. But of course, it's up to you and your options and what you prefer. And don't forget to scrape down the sides of your bowl so that everything is very well incorporated. Now that you have a well blended and smooth mixture, it's time to fold in the good stuff. Now using a rubber spatula, you want to fold in 2 cups of grated carrots, 1 can of crushed pineapple, that's an 8-ounce can. Make sure you drain that can of pineapple, if not, it's going to take a lot longer for your cake to bake. 1 bag of coconut flakes, I usually use about a cup, and then 1 cup of crushed walnuts, and then fold it in all together until everything is well combined. Alright, so I actually baked these carrot cakes for 2 friends of mine, and I didn't necessarily want to cut into their cake for the end result of our video. I just thought it'd be weird to hand them a cake with a piece missing or a piece that was cut but still in the cake pan. I just thought that would have been odd. So I did bake a few cupcakes off to the side just for that end result. And my smart self, of course, forgot to record the cake pans coming out of the oven to show you that. So we're just going to look past that and just appreciate the cupcakes that came out of the oven. Alright, now that you have folded in the last of the ingredients, you want to add your cake batter to your cake pans. I just lined mine with butter and flour, but of course you can just use the butter spray and that'll work just as well. Then you want to bake them at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes, or of course until you can stick a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. Just a heads up, I normally have to bake mine for about 35-40 minutes. It just depends on your oven, so I just wanted to throw that out there. And here we have it, our delicious, moist, best carrot cake ever. And if you do try it, please let me know what you think. Alright, well thanks for watching, and please subscribe.